What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this recap here. We're going to go over one setup today that Tesla put up that was really nice, and I missed it because I was looking at AGEM, but we're going to review that and along with a few other plays that were found in the dashboard of your watch list here. So here's your watch list at the daytraderchatroom.com, and here's Kevin's list, my list for the day. Obviously, you can see all our watch lists here, including yesterday's and the weekly. The new swing trading course is up, so you have access to that, live news, and the chat room accuracy. As a team, every single day we put out polls to see how everyone did together as a team, including mods and myself, and we all vote. And as a team, this is what it looks like. We're absolutely killing it at the Day Trader chat room here, guys. All right, so here are all your other courses as well. Now, today's watch list, MITO, AGEN, ULBI, AMC, SPY, Tesla, Home Depot, Walmart is what I had on watch as far as my list went. And, this morning, AGEN, it actually had one decent little setup here that we went over in chat. And it was for this 90 MA VWAP cross. Now, I did not participate in this trade, but some members caught it. I didn't participate in this trade because, like I said in chat, I was not a fan of this attempt here at the highs. This was a high volume. You can see here, high volume fail attempt at the highs. And usually that's a bearish signal. So, usually you'd get something like this right off of that in the next candle. We come back down here to the lows, but we didn't get that. Once we got this candle here, right in here, I was like, guys, this is typically the confirmation bounce. You could look to see if this goes higher here with the stop just underneath that 120 area, 115 or so. And sure enough, this stock went from $1.23 all the way up here to $1.50. So it made a really nice move. I mean, $4.50, sorry, 420s to 450s. And it made a very nice move. Now, that move was not long-lived, It was not long-lived. We went off of the dailies here. Here you go. Boom. Previous resistance there in that 450. Previous support here in the 450s. And, it shied away completely from that. Now, while all that was happening, I missed out on a very nice and possibly the cleanest setup that Tesla had all day long, all morning long actually, right here. Tesla broke. This was kind of choppy-ish to me. First move here, pull back, quick little attempt at the high, pulled back to VWAP, and then finally broke through it. This was something that I would have loved to have traded because you broke over yesterday's close, then pulled right on into it, held yesterday's close and the 9 AMA right in here. So there was an easily potential entry there because this was a high volume break on the high right here, followed by low volume pullback, which is ideal. All right, that's ideal. That's how we nailed Tesla on Friday for over 7 points. It was a similar type of volume profile. It wasn't a high of day, pullback and break and pullback to it. It was a different type of setup, but the volume profile still stood true. And then you got that nice move. But unfortunately, I was watching AGEN at that time, and that was, a sad issue to see happen there because I missed out on that. And then you look over here on the trade idea scanners. If you're interested in those, link in the description section below with a coupon code. There's not a whole lot, 27%, 24%, 18%, not a whole lot of big movers today. Just not a whole lot of big movers today at all, right? So I missed out on Tesla there. I am still keeping it on watch because I think it has a lot of potential. Now that it actually broke through that 200-day moving average, I want to see if it can get back up there and hold it. If it can hold it, I think it has a potential to finally break 600 here soon. Otherwise, maybe it just bear flags here, and that's a failed break of the 200-day moving average. Definitely something I'll keep on watch. I really like and enjoy trading Tesla a tremendous amount. You guys know that already as subscribers of my channel. Now, during lunch, I did put out a watch list here in the chat room, and it was ATER, okay, and BLDE. Now, BLDE broke down drastically here off of that $9 level. Now, it's reclaimed but it's broke down drastically here. However, the ATER play is holding up very well at VWAP. Alright guys, remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, hit the notification bell, and check out the daytraderchatroom.com. Come trade with us 5 days for just $5. And consolidating here throughout lunch. This is beautiful because this is a potential sign for an afternoon squeeze. And we could see it get up here and test that 200-day moving average that lies just above 18 bucks. So there's a lot of potential left here on ATER, and we will be keeping it on watch to see if it sets up for an afternoon squeeze. All right, we're definitely going to keep that on watch and see if we can get that move this afternoon on ATER. Let's see if we got any fib levels. We got the 23.6 Fibonacci level lining up there with VWAP. This is a very nice setup looking for this afternoon, so we'll keep eyes on that. Now, apart from that, guys, you know, the SPY, like we figured, I said it in pre-market today with the gang, it's going to be an inside day. You know, we have another inside day here on the SPY, and I would imagine we're not going to get any action on the SPY until either late Wednesday or Thursday as the Fed meetings come out. So, I'm sorry, the Fed minutes come out. So I expect another inside day today, and maybe if, you know, if the market gets bullish late Wednesday, maybe we can finally see it get up here into this zone between Wednesday and Thursday. That's what I'm looking for. You know, out of the SPY, if we get that bullish turn. If we don't and we come back down, well then, you know, either way we should get some clarity on direction late Wednesday and Thursday. So let's see what happens there. But apart from that, guys, there's really not a whole lot else. It's another very, very slow type of day. Most of the stocks on watch, MITO, look at that, nothing, right? ULBI. ULBI has potential here. It's one we've been watching. ULBI has potential, but it needs to hold above this VWAP here finally to get a move back up here towards $12. That would be what it needs to do. These are lines we drew in pre-market. Check it out. It's held that $10 like a champ. It's held that $10 like a champ. It has found some resistance at times here, around 11 bucks. And obviously, look at this double top here on the daily. That's obviously clear resistance. So those are the areas that we're going to be watching coming out of lunch to see if we get a squeeze back up towards $12 on ULBI. AMC, dud for today anyways. Tesla, we already went over. Home Depot sold off, gave back the entire gap up. WMT, you know, just sideways. Maybe it just goes sideways today. And we were watching this one for a hold of that 142 area, 140 maybe. So far it's held that 140 area, 141, but it's not looking like it's going to do anything today. So it's been a pretty lackluster day as expected. So zero trades again for me today. I have not had back-to-back zero trade days like this in months upon months upon months. Definitely not even one this year. So it just shows that you got to stay disciplined. You know, I had one good setup on Tesla, missed out on it, and you know, I didn't chase it. I'm not going to chase it. I'm not going to break my rules just because I missed that super nice pullback in there. So tomorrow's another day, guys. You know, it's all about being disciplined, and that's what we teach at the daytraderchatroom.com. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. You know, it was just one of those days where there wasn't just a lot going on. You know, I had one crack there, didn't get a shot at it. I missed it. I was looking at AGEN, so missed out on that. So we'll see what the afternoon holds, but I think for now, that's it for today. And tomorrow is a brand new day. Smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.